Hey guys, it's your girl Messiah, and today I will be doing a slime challenge because I couldn't do a gaming video because I don't have the mic or anything like that, and they do cost money. So I kind of have to wait a little bit, but I will do a gaming video soon. So these are my friends.
I'm Angel.
I'm Niana.
And today we'll be making slime. So I'll tell you the ingredients we have. So we have shaving cream to make the slime fluffy. And then we have glue, a glob of glue. And then we have activator for the end of the slime. We have glitters. We have blue, pink, silver, yellow, kind of goldish, red, and green. And then we have food coloring to change the color of our slimes. And we have green, red, orange, and blue. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the glue first. So I'll go first. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the top off because it kind of takes too long to do. So we're not gonna make too much of a big slime because we all have to share this one glob of glue. So I'm gonna put that much. Okay. Don't use too much. Angel still needs some.
Yeah.
And then after, we're going to do a big reveal at the end to see who won this slime challenge.
Oh.
Jeez. Why so slow? Okay. I think we
Okay,
can
that's
save
enough.
Angel some.
Angel has the rest of it.
Hold on, let me just get some. Really? Okay, you can take the rest. All the rest.
Okay.
Oh,
I need some.
Oh.
Okay, so now I think we're going to start. Do you guys want to do this? You want to do? Let's do the coloring first.
I think we should
Do the shaving cream.
No, we should do the coloring
Coloring,
first.
yeah.
Then-
So I'm gonna make mine.
Red.
I'm gonna make mine's pink.
Red.
That's orange. I have red.
This is yellow.
I'm gonna add a little bit of red
Blue.
so I can have a pink color.
I'm gonna have
I want yellow.
I want to have at least 3 or 4
Oopsie.
drops.
One.
That just it won't even go. Oh, press on it to get back on. And then guys, we're gonna stir this around to get the color going. So mine is supposed to be pink, but if it turns out red, I'll still be okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, Nene.
What happened?
She like hurt like a
Look how many drops I have.
Oh my gosh.
How do you screw this back?
Well, what me and Angel just said. Okay, so we're gonna keep stirring and stirring and
Also,
stirring.
if you use borax, it kind of toxicates your slime.
Yeah, so
it
don't
really-
do
never
not-
use
never
borax.
use borax.
Yeah.
I think I'm done with
think
my
I'm
pink
done
because
with it.
my pink looks
I'm not
amazing.
done.
Guys, this is what my color slime looks like. Guys, show your color slimes. So
Okay, not done.
Nene's looks like it's a peach color. Mine looks like it's a cotton candy color.
And
And
mine's
hers looks
like-
like a blue cotton candy
It's
color.
a-
I think this is Leah Ash's favorite shade of pink. So I'm gonna go first and add a little.
Yeah, you can go next. I'm always third. I'm always third.
So I'm gonna add just this much.
No, look, you go like this. You never go like that. Go
You don't
like
add
this.
it. Well,
Wait,
no,
that's not that type of shaving cream.
You don't add like a little.
You
add
don't
kinda lot.
do it. I'm gonna see what. Girl, you just got that on me. You just got that on me, girl.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, guys, so I'm
I need the shaving
I'm
cream. Hold on.
I'm-
I'm gonna go around in a circle.
okay. You don't need that much. Shave some from Angel.
Yeah, if you want it fluffy, then
It's
yeah.
a lot in here.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna add a little bit of orange to mine. Mine feels.
Sorry. Is that the second time
So
that you got
bad.
shaving cream on you?
So
It's
guys,
like, oh my gosh, I feel so offended.
mine's like so good so far. I'm telling you.
Okay, if you can want to add some
So
more.
I'm gonna add a little more to mine so it can be fluffy.
Want it to be fluffy. And just
Go in with the activator. I suggest that you go in with your hands.
yes. Well,
Yeah.
You don't always have to.
If the activator does, and if the activator kind of gets the slime going a little bit, that probably will mean that I'm going to add some really cute silver sparkles tonight.
Dude, this is gonna be so cute. It's got glitter on it.
This looks so cute.
What about mine? Look at mine.
That looks so cute.
Oh look, it looked like you're in the sky or
Look,
something.
Nene. Angel, look. Angel, look. Angel, look. You don't need it, girl. You
Oh
asked.
my god! Look how much I
You
got.
add too much glitter.
That's too much glitter.
Too much sauce. So we're adding detergent right now. OMG, guys, it's coming together. It is coming together, guys. Use your spoon, it works. Guys, it's coming
Oh, it is
together.
coming together.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
exactly what it
Yes. Guys, this is what we were looking for.
is. So my hands can be sticky.
As soon as I pulled it and
Like,
Guys, okay, I added some.
this looks like skin.
I think I
Look
need.
at guys, mine's definitely coming together.
Doesn't it look like skin? Look at this. Look at this.
Like soap. This is like soap.
Missy.
Oh my god.
Missy.
What?
It looks like skin. It looks like skin.
I think I added too much detergent.
Guys, this is turning
we
out.
ever
Look,
be
it's
doing
turning
pranks
out
on your
soap. Yes. You gotta. Girl, you added too much.
Okay, I recommend not using this because
I'm gonna use
not
a little
use
more.
that.
I need mine wet.
because this slime, it says slime Nickelodeon slime activator, but it really doesn't activate anything. So I
Yeah, guys,
recommend
it does not
using it.
activate. So I recommend. Guys, I'm poking my slime right now, and it's like, yeah.
I'm recommending that. You use
Look at my slime.
Does anybody like mine?
Yes, we love yours, girl.
Mine is not turning out right.
Cause you added too
Yeah,
much.
you added too much. You added the rest of the cup. Which was-
Guys, this is so.
wait, you know you could actually deactivate your slime like that? You could deactivate it.
I can't help you because I don't want to mess my slime up, girl. Because it was good.
Okay,
Okay, guys. So if you think of my slime one, comment down below. Hashtag pink for life.
And if you think my slime one, comment down below. Hashtag Team Unicorn.
If you think that my slimed,
You have to show your
I know.
slimes, guys.
If you think my
Show us your
slimed won, because like so I said I lost, but then I was poking it and it actually turned out right. So now you can make bubbles and stuff. Never think that you can. Never give up and
Always
keep
believe
going.
in yourself. Yeah, always believe like a unicorn does.
Yeah, like Team Angel. So if you think I won, please comment down below if you think Team Angel won. Thanks.
If you like this video, I want you to smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends because I think it'll really show you how to make slime, and don't ever give up because Angel's slime didn't really turn out right before, but she just kept trying and trying and it worked out. So I love you guys. Bye.